Good afternoon, Concrete Basics. It's 5 o'clock, almost 5 o'clock. We started 6 o'clock in the morning, and with 2% hardener on the concrete. So that's how it goes. Still waiting until one more hit. We cannot polish that one, but we can smooth. Don't place. Yeah, that's one more hit, and then we can will be smooth. There is no way we can polish with this weather. The moist keeps falling. Seems like a misty day, all day. And we have another one. It's 175 square meter. This one is 170, so I'll bring it there to the next one. Let's go to the next one down the road. Just there. Side. Oh yeah, Daddy. Oh, stick na. Hindi, pang 615 yan. Pang 615 na eh. This should be sticky finish, guys. So this is a garage rebate. Yeah, look at that. It's tidy. Ipaano mo lang kay kuya mo yung madahan lang na. Kasi hindi pwedeng marahan yan eh. Guys, still away from polishing, but the thing is we can sticky the rest. I think we can hand over the garage. So that's all, guys. By the way, we are Riverstone, so please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, Concrete Basics, and follow us on Facebook and TikTok. Thank you so much. Have a good one. Bye bye. Idol. Yeah, no. I'm tired.